That's me anyway. I've been doing this for a while now. It's good. But, I won't dwell on that. We've been doing a quick coaster report, and I'll show you some of the artwork, and people will laugh at me like everyone always does. Alright, so, I don't know, most of the videos didn't end up on Facebook anyway, but this turned out right. Well, it was much better than it at the moment. Alright, let's play down the back there. They're still working fine, just a couple of years on. One of those six ones, whatever. Marine radios from, what do you call them? It'll come to me, but anyway. Look, yeah, it's alright. It sounds good and everything like that. I should have got something with a CD player on it. The fridge is a pumper. Beautiful. Ever cool. It's a beast. It is ever cool too. So the system I'm running is 2 solar panels. I think they're 200 watters. Red Arc DC to DC charger. Got a couple of big bus bars in there, and it's all wired, real heavy. Short flow pressure pump. A diesel heat Tasmania diesel hot water system, which has been brilliant, and a diesel heat Tasmania air heater, which has shit itself in the second winter. Well, it hasn't shit itself, but I can't get it to go. I had to pull all the panel apart and everything. It'll all go back together alright, but yeah, well, we'll get there. There's tomorrow's father's unit still in there. You'll notice all the decoration. People reckon it's decoration. It sort of is, but really, you do hard roads in Australia. So none of this has moved a bit. 10,000 k's in. As some of you will recall, I scanned the whole interior with 0.5 gal and Sikaflex after I'd filled it with earth wool. So and then I did the install for you on the shower. Well, that's sort of, it was a lot nicer, but things get dirty quick, don't they? So, but it's still awesome. Oh, it's still awesome. But you know, the shower head is yeah, you know. This door was great. Got that from Wodonga for $200, just the magnetic frame. And I don't know, I did a video on the flashing, but I can't remember. But she's good, man. 10,000 k's and 2 years. Cruising, baby. All good. Alright. Picking up a light around here somewhere. Oh, there's lights and all sorts of stuff going on down there. He says 3 switches, that's me. All the back stuff down there. So yeah, I'm running basically a 12 volt system and diesel. There's no certification required or anything like that. No danger. It works awesome. It really works awesome. It really does. What have we got here? 4036. Ah, she's shorting out somewhere. Always when you dad do a video, it fucks up. Yeah, something's funny going on here. What's happened to you? What's happened? We had a bit of a mishap on the road. What's going on? What's happened? We're back to, there we go, 24.9. So yeah, and all this stuff's still there, mate, you know. Yeah. Did not move a millimetre. It's on heaps of K's, man. They were totally wrong about the temperature of the bus. Temperature's awesome, man, when you with the insulation in there packed right up to here, and then the whole bus scun. Oh, it's just awesome, mate. Like, I really couldn't be happier with it. It's been great. Oh yeah, except for when someone put AdBlue in the bloody thing, and I had a few issues there. I wouldn't recommend doing that. I've got it all going again, so yeah, I haven't, you know, I did finish it, but I had to go back in there. So we made an easy access for our fuel pump there. We're not climbing underneath the bus. If I had my time again, I reckon I could make twice as good a bus for half as much. If you're looking for a tree to survive in these things, you'll go for the brachydons. Alright. They're handling this Victorian winter okay. Apparently they can do -5. They're deciduous, so they're probably losing them leaves. But yep. Logan City Tree Growers lives on. Got my steak cooking down there. Mara's off with her girlfriend because, I don't know, it's been a hard time lately, so we're just sort of sick the fuck of each other sometimes. Alright. There's one piece I just started recently. I've never had anyone say anything good about the stuff I do, so I won't show you the top stuff yet, it's not finished. Oh, dark rooster there. Hey, here's a cook chook that cunt. No one ever notices him, but I've got this other bloke up here, I'll show you. And he's always watching you, this cunt. Yeah, so it's all ongoing. Been going for years, mate. Well, I started building it like 2 years ago. If you ever attach anything to your fridge, take the screws out of the back of the fridge and use the original fixings to put your gear on it and you won't lose your warranty. I built it for Tamara and we were both born in 1971, so thus became 1971. It's just an organic working process, so it'll probably never end, you know. A lot of people wouldn't like it, you know. I don't even know if I can sell this bus. But here he is. The Hawk of 1971. Look at him. Hey, you like? You like? Or is it shit? There's a wing there. There's a wing there. The head. The armpit. The body. Some feet there. Grabbing something. Talons. And the tail down here. Then we've got the usual floral tattoos and whatnot that we end up with on just about everything I make these days. We haven't finished yet. Oh, yeah, we got these up here too, that I've shown before. Add a bit of toughness to it. Oh, I've already broke one of those Bunnings things. But we just undo the rivets and put a new one on to this one here. They break easy. You get pissed and fall on them. Not much else has happened up the front, I might. Well, you know, we got ventilation. A bit of ventilation in most things. What would be great here when you fix your fridge, and I'll do it if I ever do another one, or I might get around to it. I wouldn't mind infilling all that and just having a cavity there and put those, what do you call the fucking things? You know, some fans there. Don't go for big ones, go for little